إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Sounds nice, right? I'm not trying to say this about myself, no. No, I'm talking about the tune itself. Yeah, it sounds nice. Yet, we shouldn't read like this. So, it happens actually, it happens that we found ourselves not reciting from our lungs and our throat and our cavity inside the mouth. No, we intend to use the nasal cavity more. Okay, because it will automatically beautify the recitation. Yet the problem is, it will compromise the understanding for those who are listening. So, there is a test I need everyone to do. Now I'm going to demonstrate in front of you. Unfortunately, due to it is online and everything, so I'm not really sure are you actually following that mistake or not. But so that's why I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Now, what is the mistake and how can I avoid it? The mistake is when حروف المد is articulated, it can be tricky a little bit, and rather than going out from the cavity inside the mouth, it goes out from the nasal cavity. I just recited. ولا ض. Actually, now the sound is not coming from my mouth, it's coming from my nose. How I know? Okay, now I will demonstrate it differently. I will close my nose. Hi, see? When you close your nose, so that exit is closed already. So that is the test. How can you make sure that the sound is not coming from the nasal cavity? You should prevent any sound to come from the nasal cavity, except al-ghunna. Other than al-ghunna, do not make any sound from your nasal cavity, because it will be a mistake. It will compromise the meaning. So, I need you to do that test. Everyone. Okay? Now, close your nose. And we are going to extend. If you found yourself stuck and you cannot elongate harf al-alif, that means you have fault in that mistake, because the sound is actually coming from here. But if you found you are closing and you are relaxed and you can elongate with no problem, that means you are on the right way. Okay? Let's test again. ولا Okay, no problem. Okay, طيب. If it is not okay, how would it be? ولا stuck, cannot, because I am articulating the sound from here, but I'm closing, so the sound is not going out. You see? So unfortunately, I cannot help you more than this in this mistake. You must do it yourself. So do not let any sound goes out from the nasal cavity except al-ghunna, specifically حروف المد, because most likely you will intend to do so while you are playing a little bit with the tunes and the melodies and everything, and the sound that comes out from the nasal cavity sounds more nice. Yeah, see? ولا الضال. That's from here, that's from the mouth. You got it? والله أعلم. Okay, طيب. Thank you very much. Anyone else?